Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. I can't believe that we are in December and it's nearly the end of 2020. It was really a tough year for all of us in so many ways. To be honest, this year I got more time to evaluate and address my skin issues that I was neglecting for the longest time, and that was fungal acne. So I believe around the early February or March, I changed my entire skincare routine and skincare products and started using fungal acne safe products only. And even now I still mostly use fungal acne safe products, and also I have started incorporating skincare products that are not 100% fungal acne safe because my fungal acne has been a lot better now. So today in this video I'm going to share the best skincare products of 2020 that really helped my skin to become at its best. So before we jump into the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please do not forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'm going to share the products in order of my skincare routine, like from cleanser, mask, toner, essence, moisturizers and sunscreens. So the best cleanser that stood out in 2020 for me was Defense Barrier PS Cleanser from Purito. This cleanser is a really good one. It is really gentle and it is a PS balanced cleanser. It is fungal acne safe as well. The ingredients list is also really good. It contains a lot of soothing ingredients like allantoin and Centella asiatica extract. This cleanser lasted me for 5 to 6 months, and the best part is that it is super affordable. It works really great as a morning cleanser as it is super gentle, and it also helps to remove any dirt or oil that may have been accumulated on my face throughout the night. You will only need a tiny piece of this cleanser and it will lather up really nicely. Also, it works great as a second cleanse after using my oil-based cleanser in the night time. This cleanser has never made my face dry or irritated. Instead, it leaves my face feeling hydrating. I have used this cleanser when I had acne breakouts and it did not trigger or irritated or made my acne breakouts worse. I also think that this cleanser is suitable for all skin types. You can get this cleanser from Stylevana, and I will put all the links in the description box below, so please do not forget to check it. I also have a discount code for you guys where you can get 10 to 15% off at checkout, so please feel free to use my discount code. So the second cleanser that I love this year is from Inkilist Salicylic Acid Cleanser. This cleanser contains 2% salicylic acid and other soothing ingredients as well. Salicylic acid is a well-known and great treatment for anyone who is suffering from acne, and this salicylic acid cleanser is a really good one to try. I have an oily and acne-prone skin, and this salicylic acid has been really helping my skin to really prevent and treat my acne breakouts. Even though it has 2% salicylic acid, because it is combined with other hydrating ingredients, this salicylic acid is really gentle. I can use this salicylic acid cleanser even in the morning as well because it is super gentle. It has never made my skin dry and have never left my skin feeling tight, because I do understand that there are other salicylic acid cleansers that can really make your skin dry and make your skin really tight after you cleanse your face. But this salicylic acid from Inkilist is super gentle and it is really beginner friendly. If you are new to salicylic acid and you want to incorporate salicylic acid into your routine but you want to go slow hand, then I think this salicylic acid cleanser will be a really good one to try. So now I'm going to talk about the mask that really helped me to improve my skin. So it is Nizoral, which is actually a shampoo. As I've already mentioned that this year I treated my fungal acne, and this is one of the main product or main ingredient that really helped me to treat my fungal acne. Basically, the main ingredient in this Nizoral is ketoconazole, which is an antifungal treatment. That is the most effective treatment to treat your fungal acne. I have an entire video on how to get rid of tiny bumps, so please do not forget to check that video for more detailed information about fungal acne and what products really help me to treat my fungal acne. So I have already finished this tube and I am already into the next one. But the time I finished the entire bottle of Nizoral, my fungal acne was almost gone. So now I do not really use this Nizoral shampoo. But if you are struggling with fungal acne and you want to treat your fungal acne, then I would highly recommend you guys to try this Nizoral shampoo. So now it's time for the essence. It is from I'm From Mugwort Essence. This essence is my favorite essence. It is made of only one ingredient, which is 100% mugwort essence. Mugwort is really famous in Korea and K-beauty because of its amazing benefits. Mugwort has anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. It is a really soothing, healing and calming ingredient. I have already used 3 bottles of this mugwort essence and I'm already on my 4th bottle. This mugwort essence is really soothing. It really helps to calm down any redness or any irritation in my skin. It feels super hydrating as well. It has a thin and watery consistency that absorbs really quickly into the skin. I can also use multiple layers of this essence and it will not feel sticky even if I use 2-3 layers of this essence. So now the next category is toner or exfoliant. So my ultimate favorite exfoliant of this year, it is from Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. It contains 2% salicylic acid and green tea leaf extract as well. This is actually the first product that I tried from Paula's Choice, and before purchasing the big bottle, I tried this mini one first and I completely fell in love with this exfoliant. That's why I had to repurchase the bigger one. If you do not know, salicylic acid has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and it is an oil soluble, which means salicylic acid can penetrate deeper into our pores to really unclog the oils and dirts from our pores and also exfoliate our skin to help congestion. This 2% BHA exfoliant worked really great for my blackheads. Also, whenever I have my acne breakouts, especially over this area, I use this chemical exfoliant and it really helps to treat and reduce my acne breakouts. And if you are someone who have oily skin or acne prone skin and your skin is prone to congestion like blackheads or whiteheads, then I would highly recommend this product. So now moving on, I'm going to talk about serums or boosters. So the first one is this Niacinamide serum from The Ordinary. This Niacinamide serum is one of the best discovery of this year. If you have oily acne prone skin, then you must try niacinamide. So I have already gone through 5 bottles of this niacinamide serum. As you can see it here, these are all empties. Niacinamide has a lot of skin benefits. I don't know from where to start. So firstly, niacinamide helps to control oil production that can prevent clogged pores or congestion in our skin. Also, niacinamide helps to brighten uneven skin tone or fade hyperpigmentation. Niacinamide also has anti-inflammatory properties that really helps to reduce any inflammation or any redness on your skin. I have a really oily skin, and after using this niacinamide serum, it has really helped me to control my oil production, as well as I think this also helped me to treat my fungal acne to some extent. Also, it is super affordable, so you guys can try it because I highly recommend this product. So the next one is a booster, actually not a serum. It is from Paula's Choice 10% azelaic acid booster. It contains 10% azelaic acid booster as well as salicylic acid and licorice root extract. This azelaic acid has changed my skin game. It has made my skin texture so freaking smooth. Azelaic acid is a wonderful and amazing ingredient that helps to very gently exfoliate our skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties that will help to reduce any inflammation or redness. It is a great treatment for anyone who has redness like rosacea or post-inflammatory erythema. Azelaic acid also helps to fade hyperpigmentation and smooth your skin texture. This azelaic acid has helped me with so many of my skin issues like acne breakouts, hyperpigmentation, congested skin like whiteheads. So if you want to try anything from Paula's Choice, then I would highly recommend this 10% azelaic acid booster. So now I'm quickly going to talk about my moisturizers, and they are all fungal acne safe. So the first one is from Vitamin Tree Water Gel. This Vitamin Tree Water Gel contains sea buckthorn, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid and other hydrating ingredients as well. It has a thick gel consistency, but it melts into watery consistency as we blend it. It feels really lightweight on the skin. This gel moisturizer is super hydrating and moisturizing. It does not feel greasy or heavy on my skin. This moisturizer works really great for both summer and winter. It also gives a cooling effect after I apply it on my face. This entire jar lasted me for 6 to 7 months. I really love this gel moisturizer because it never clogged my pores or caused me any breakouts. I also think that this moisturizer is great for anyone who has combination and oily skin types. It worked really well in the summer, and I think it is enough moisturizing even for the winter as well. So the second one is from Benton Aloe Propolis Soothing Gel. This gel moisturizer is a really great one for summer, especially for oily skin type. If you are oily skin and if you are suffering from fungal acne, then I would highly recommend this gel moisturizer for summer. This gel moisturizer contains aloe vera gel extract and propolis, and as you know that propolis also helps to treat fungal acne. This gel moisturizer is super soothing and hydrating. Also, if you have dehydrated skin, then I think this moisturizer can really help to hydrate and nourish your dehydrated skin. It has a really lightweight gel consistency, and I personally feel that it would be better in the summertime only and not for the winter. I started using this moisturizer from end of the March, and until end of the October I was still using this moisturizer at the night time. I seriously have gone through 9 tubes of this gel moisturizer because it is that good in the summer. So the third moisturizer is from Ioniq Centella Calming gel cream. This is also a very lightweight gel consistency moisturizer. It contains 70% Centella Asiatica extract and 10% tea tree leaf water extract. I have an oily skin and this moisturizer has worked great for both summer and winter. It is also really affordable. Also, this moisturizer works really well under the mask because wearing mask all the time can actually irritate our skin, but this moisturizer also helps to soothe and calm down any irritations. So if you are looking for a soothing gel moisturizer, then I would highly recommend this moisturizer. So last but not the least, now I'm going to share my favorite sunscreens which are also fungal acne safe. So the first one is from Nivea Sun Super Water Gel. I found this sunscreen when I was looking for fungal acne safe sunscreen, and I am so glad that I found this sunscreen because this sunscreen is the best sunscreen that has never clogged my pores or triggered my fungal acne. So as you can see it here, I have already finished 6 bottles of this sunscreen, 2 bigger ones and 4 smaller ones. This sunscreen has a lightweight watery gel consistency that applies on my skin really well and also absorbs really quickly. It has a dewy finish which I love because it makes my skin look really fresh and healthy. It has no white cast, no peeling. This sunscreen does not feel heavy or greasy or anything. It has a very beautiful application. This sunscreen will not make your skin oily or greasy throughout the day, and it does not feel sticky as well. I also reapply my sunscreen throughout the day, so this sunscreen is a perfect for reapplication. And also when I reapply with this sunscreen, it will never have white cast or peeling. So if you're looking for fungal acne safe sunscreen, then this one is for you. So the next favorite sunscreen is from EltaMD, UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. This sunscreen is not completely physical sunscreen. It has both physical and chemical UV filters. This sunscreen also contains niacinamide, which is a plus point. I personally love the experience of applying this sunscreen because it makes my skin look super healthy. The texture of this sunscreen is in between gel and cream, so it is not super thick and it is also not super gel like watery. I personally like to use this sunscreen when my morning skincare routine is really simple with just like toner, essence and moisturizer, because this sunscreen will have a white cast and peeling. If I have used my active ingredients like this Polish Source 10% acidic acid booster underneath this sunscreen, then it will definitely peel. However, if my morning routine is super simple without any active ingredients and then I use this sunscreen, then it will not have any white cast or any peeling. Again, with the reapplication of this sunscreen, if I had my morning skincare routine really simple, then it will not peel or have any white cast even when I reapply this sunscreen. But personally, I love this sunscreen because whenever I use this sunscreen, it really helped to soothe and calm down my skin or any redness or irritations that I had. It is truly a really great sunscreen and I would highly recommend this to you guys. So that's all for the video. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. Also, I would love to know what skincare products you really loved in this year. So don't forget to comment down below as well. If you like this video, then please give a big thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.